December 2025, Tuesday. The time is 25 to 10 p.m. at night. It's Tuesday today. I'm going to dedicate that to another sister who follows me in the music, Sister Hearty Grace. Bless you, and hope you enjoy that. Thank you for sharing your spiritual and your musical belief and love for nature, and I hope that touched your heart. You've been old-fashioned, even though you're younger, but you've got good values and good taste for music. But remember, God comes first before anything else. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all things shall be added unto you. And when you pray, don't expect an answer straight away. It could take up to a year, or it could take a day. Just be patient. All good things come to those who wait. Love you all. Good night. God bless. Bye, Sister Hearty.